Dear students, now let us start with example number 3 from exercise 2.4, fifth problem. In that fifth sub question is third. X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Now factors of the last term are factors of 20 are plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10, plus or minus 20. Let us put first x equal to, now see all are positive terms. If we put positive 1, we will never get 0. So we will put negative 1. So put x is equal to, let given polynomial be, let p of x be equal to x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So writing will be easy for us. Put x equal to minus 1. Why minus 1? The reason is all are positive terms. We want this answer to be 0. So we are going for the negative values. We will get p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 bracket cube plus 13 into minus 1 bracket square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. So this is equal to minus 1. This, please note, minus 1 square will be plus 1. So this will be plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. This is 13 plus 20 is 33, minus 1 minus 32 is minus 33, so this answer is 0. It means p equal to minus 1, sorry, x equal to minus 1 is a factor. Please note, we have put x is equal to minus 1, it means x plus 1 is a factor. Is a factor of p of x. Let us do the division of this to get the quadratic polynomial. Now x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Earlier problems we have solved by synthetic division and long division method. This time I am going for the linear method. See how to solve. So this is equal to, divide first term by first term. So divide x cube by x. You will get x square. So x square is the quotient. X plus 1 is our divisor. Now multiply by x to x square to x, you will get x cube. X square into 1 is x square. So you have to do minus x square. Then write the remaining terms, that is plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. We can solve this. So this is equal to x square in bracket x plus 1. This is plus 12x square plus 32x plus 20. Again divide the next term by first term. If you divide 12x square by x, divisor is x, 12x square by x, you will get 12x. So this is equal to x square as it is, x plus 1 also as it is, plus, now if you divide this by x, we will get 12x as the quotient, x plus 1 is our total divisor. Then 12x into x is 12x square, 12x into 1 is 12x, we want opposite of it, so we will get minus 12x plus 32x plus 20. Now this is solvable, so we will get x square. See, watch carefully, I am writing these terms as it is. This is solvable, minus 12x minus plus 32x will be 20x. Now from this we have to divide first term by first term of the divisor, that is x. So you will get 20x divided by x, 20. So I am writing the answer here this side. This is equal to x square in bracket x plus 1 plus 12x in bracket x plus 1 plus 20 in bracket x plus 1. Please note, this is 20x. If you solve 20x and 20, you will get the same. So no need to solve it further. In this, you will notice that x plus 1 is common. If you take x plus 1 common, you will get x plus 1 common, and the remaining terms are x square plus 12x plus 20. We know how to solve the quadratic polynomial. For this, we need two numbers in such a way that their product is 20 and their addition is plus 12. Now if you factorize 20, 20's factors are 20 is equal to 10 into 2 or 5 into 4 or 1 into 20. So here you will notice that 10 into 12, if you select, we will get the sum 12. So this is equal to x plus 1 in bracket x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. This is equal to x plus 1 as it is. From this, if you take x common, we will have x plus 10. If you take 2 common, you will have x plus 10. So x plus 10 can be taken common. This is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 10 into x plus 2. Hence, we can write x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10 in an ascending order. Thus, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 10 in an ascending order. Next and the last question from the exercise, fourth question, 2y square plus y minus 2y minus 1, this we have to factorize. So, please note here 2 is the multiplier. If this is equal to, if you take 2 common, you will get y square plus y upon 2 minus 2y upon 2 means you will get minus y minus 1 upon 2. Now, let this given polynomial, let p of x be equal to twice px is equal to 2 times this y square plus y upon 2 minus y minus half. So we need the factors of the last term. So factors of the last term, factors of the numerator are factors of 1 are, factors of 1 are, numerator are 1 itself, and factors of 2 are 1 and 2. So factors of half are, you will get plus or minus 1 upon 1, you will get plus or minus 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 1 is nothing but 1. Let us try with this value. So put x is equal to 1 in the given polynomial. Put y is equal to 1 in p of y. So we will get 2 into p of y is equal to y square is 1 square plus 1 upon 2 minus y is 1 minus half. So please note, this is plus half minus half, plus 1 minus 1 cancels with each other, we will get the remainder 0. It means y equal to 1 is a factor of p of y. Y is equal to 1 is a factor. Please note, y equal to 1, it means y minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Let us find the other quadratic. Since y minus 1 is a factor, we will get the remainder 0. So let us divide by long division method. This is 2y square plus y minus 2y minus 1 divided by y minus 1. So to find this, we know how to solve. Divide first term by first term. If you divide 2y square by y, you will get 2y. Just a minute. Please, students, I made a mistake in writing the question itself. Here it is y cube and y square. So this will be y cube and y square. Here also we will get y cube and y square. Still the values will not change. We will get y cube and y square. Now, if you divide 2y cube by y, you will get 2y square. So 2y square is the first question. Now 2y square into y is 2y cube. 2y square minus 1 is minus 2y square. Please note, this signs will change. So you will get 3y square minus 2y. Now 3y square, if you divide by y, you will get 3y. So plus 3y is the next question. 3y into y is 3y square. 3y into minus 1 is minus 3y. Change the signs, you will get plus y minus 1. Now y divided by y, quotient is 1. So plus 1 into y is 1. y and 1 into 1 with negative signs, we will see the remainder is 0. Now it means y cube twice y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to, dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient, y minus 1 into 2y square plus 3y plus 1 plus remainder is 0. There is no need to write. Now we have to factorize this. To factorize this, multiply 2 into 1, you will get the number 2. So we want two numbers in such a way that their product is 2 but the sum is 3. So 2 and the 2, it means factors are 2 and 1. So this is equal to y minus 1. This is as it is splitting middle term plus 2y plus y plus 1. Now from this you can take 2y common. You will get y minus 1. Here 2y can be taken common. You will get y plus 1. From here nothing can be taken common means 1 is always possible to take common. So you will get y minus 1. Here y plus 1 and 2y plus 1. So we have got 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 into y plus 1 into 2y plus 1. Thus 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to y minus 1 into y plus 1 into y plus 1.